So are you wondering if your Samsung Galaxy A55 has got NFC? Then yep, it actually has got NFC, and the NFC chip is located around here. So when you go pay, make sure you basically touch this part of the phone. So, and also to set it up, we can go to our settings and click connections basically. And then make sure you have this NFC and contactless payments enabled. If we click on this sign, we can also click here and set up our payment service basically. So also once you install some additional, it will appear here. So you can also enable or disable individual ones. So if you want to set up your Google Wallet, you have to go to your Google Wallet basically app in this apps basically. So this is how you set up and use the NFC on the A55. If it's helpful, make sure to hit the like button.